Hello, good morning everyone. Here I'm presenting a lean canvas on my small startup ideas. It is I've thought to manufacture sleeper manufacturing. This is the project I'm going to work on it. Okay, so here are some segments which I have introduced. Means it's just like a planning. Canvas is what means planning something. Okay, a short planning for my startup. So some of the segments or points I have highlighted here means some of them like problem, solution, key matrix, unique value proportion, advantage, customer segment, channels, cost structure, revenue streams. So let me start introducing them in detail. Okay, so here the first is problem. The main problem for which I have decided to do this project is like there India is the highly consumable in sleepers, means the consumption of sleepers in India is very demanding or very high, but the production is less unequal to this proportion. The demand, the production is less, and there is also scarcity of resources. So to fill this problem or fill up this demand, I have decided to we can start a sleeper manufacturing business. The next is solution, means what we can do regarding this is like we can start manufacturing of sleepers, and licensing, regulatory approvals, and R&D, means we have to do some research and development works, that which type of segment of customers like which type of sleepers or they prefer. And then marketing, the final quadrant is this, that we have to market the sleepers and reach the customers to the means we have to reach the product to the customers. Next is key matrix. Key matrix is without the key points which we have to kept in our mind, is something like we have to take some patents or license on our this work or on our product. The next is manufacturing facility, means whatever we are going to product manufacture the product should be facilitated, should be facilitated highly, means we are going to hire some of the, we can say we are going to use the capital intensive technique or the labor intensive technique. If we are going to use the labor intensive technique, then it is very helpful in the raising the employment in our country. Okay, and many things that we should hire the people or paying their wage, and we all know there's a pandemic, so most of the people are there who have lost their jobs in just this time. Okay, next we are going to move to unique value proportion, means what of the uniqueness we are going to provide in a sleepers in a product is that they should the sleeper or the product should be cost effective, easily available, scalability, easy of customization. Okay, means and the chappal means the sleeper should be comfortable, and fast delivery we will provide. Next is unfair advantage. What are the things which is a cons in this project is like brand recognition, means most of the people have their mindset that they will wear a cloth or a that we can say sleeper or any footwear that they will prefer to a brand only. Okay, they don't like any local product, and this is the very we can say like not good for everything. And vocal for local means, as we all are know, this is the campaign introduced by a PM Modi, the PM Mr. Narendra Modi. Vocal for local means we should promote, we should promote the local vendors. Okay, the next is channels, means through which we have to distribute our product. That is distribution through local market vendors. I'm going to use this means I have like this. I have manufactures a bulk. Okay, bulk of sleepers like 1,000 or 2,000 pieces. Then I will distribute these to local market vendors who are the one who reach every customers. Okay, and then there is distributors and sale agents. We can also hire some distributors, wholesalers, or sales agents. Next is customer segment, who are the peoples we are going to cover under this project is like adult children, women, men, elders, means at the different ages people require a different type of footwear, and because of their comfortable or convenience, like elders need orthopedic sleepers because of their foot pains and all, or they also need acupressure sleepers like. Okay, the next is main thing is how we are going to select the cost or decide the cost of a product. Cost structure, it will include some of the points like capital investments, means how much we have to invest in this project, manufacturing cost, what it is cost including the machinery, electricity, raw material and everything, then licensing cost, and then last one is marketing, means if we have some advertised it or marketized, so what are the cost included in it. The next is revenue streams. Revenue streams is likely from where we are going to earn revenue, or the sources which is providing us revenue, like contract manufacturing, means if we have given someone a contract of manufacturing this product, then the product, then the amount will be, means the source of revenue. And then Fully integrated manufacturing means sales, means whatever the finished goods we are supplying in the market and sold and selling it. So the price we have earned from the sales will be our revenue stream. Licensing means royalties, and then distribution rate means if we are going to distribute, or means if we means some rates we are providing to wholesalers now for keeping a product on their shop and they are distributing it in market.